Good morning. Today is a shooting day and a windy day too. And yeah, today we're gonna go shoot a location that I've had in my Google Maps for like 1.5 years, and it can make for an amazing northern light foreground. So yeah, today is like my day of photographing the northern lights. So I'll take you on board. It's a Saturday, so this is how typically my Saturdays look like here in Norway. So yeah, welcome on board. I have already I have made my coffee with butter and done my like outdoor stuff. I go outdoors there in the mornings to get some sunlight to my eyes, and I wrote one email, scheduled that. Now gonna eat breakfast, more coffee, and I'll have to see then what's next on my list. But welcome to follow along. Some tasks to do before we go and start driving and go and shoot. Eggs. Yes, that's a lot of eggs, but I love eggs, and I don't eat carbs for breakfast because I protect my energy. When I eat carbs, then my energy just goes down so much, so I don't do that. And yeah, so now eating this. And what I want to say is that if you want that this video would have crazy B-roll and montages and crazy transitions, it won't. I'm a photographer, and although I do respect and I like cool transitions and montages, I just don't want to put that time into doing that. So this is gonna be a very raw vlog, and yeah. But now the eggs, and then coffee, and then I'll have to see what else was on the list. I think I'm gonna go shopping today as well. What I thought that could be interesting to share with you, or maybe it's not, but I thought that it would be, and that is that when it comes to like eating these like animal products or dairy products, I always aim to go for with organic, as long as there is. And sometimes there isn't. Like in Japan when I was there, organic things didn't really seem to exist, or at least I didn't figure out what was organic because of the letters. But here there's some, and eggs is one of the organic things that there is. There isn't grass-fed butter, which is not so good, but yeah, taking just some butter. Anyway. I'm gonna smash the eggs. So now I have done my September recap post. So give myself a deadline of half an hour to get it done, and we got it done in 25. Cool. So yeah, just basically took photos of what I like behind the scenes of September, put them into a carousel, and I like showing the behind the scenes of my life. So yeah, I love doing these recaps of monthly basis. So September is now done, and then next up we have backing up photos. So yeah, I've made so many photos that I haven't been able to back up or like import any photos from my memory card. So yeah, that's next up, and then I think I'll have to decide about the shopping. Will I do that today? Because soon I'll have to go. It's already 2:18 and it's like 1 hour drive away. So anyway, gonna back up now. While I am backing up, a tip that many of you could find useful. When I learned this about backing up, I was so stoked, and this isn't sponsored by Amazon, but like my backup system isn't the most confusing, and well, to be honest, it could be better, but I basically have like a hard drive when I'm traveling, and that's like one place. But then I also take photos and I upload them to. So why Amazon Photos? Because I was very surprised when I learned this. They have unlimited like photo like backup. Like there isn't a limit, and you get that with the Prime. So it's like 80 euros a month, and I just throw all my raw files to Amazon. There's a limit for video, but I just throw the raw files there. So if you are doing it, then maybe consider it. Again, not sponsored by Amazon, but yeah. So yeah. Anyway, I'll go back up now. All right then. Now headed to shoot. So I've been just checking out the forecast. I mean, it's been clear. That's clear to me, but the northern data wasn't looking the best. So I was thinking, like, am I gonna go there after all? But now it seems good. I hope it won't now change to worse when I'll be getting there. But yeah, it's gonna take over an hour to drive. I'm gonna maybe get some gas, have to check, and yeah, we'll be checking the data like on the way. If it changes, then I can just turn back. But yeah, got everything packed in my car, and now 1 hour of driving, hoping this is gonna work out. But yeah, we'll see. Let's go. I'm not sure if you can if you can hear me, but now we are indeed on the way, and one of the most amazing things about being here and doing the northern light hunting is driving next to the Arctic. Like, this is so cool, just seeing the ocean, the colorful Norwegian houses, and just like this drive always like make me so grateful that like I've been able to build a life where I get to be in these kind of places. So yeah, even if I don't get photos, I'm always loving this driving. It's so cool, and there's a full moon, massive moon. I don't know, is there some special moon, but it looks massive. And yeah, but need to be careful. Here in is it I think too many mooses, but there's a lot of sheep, so must be careful with those. Anyway, we'll see then. We'll talk more when we reach the location. I hope we do reach it in the time. Running for it. There's our thing. There's some other lights. Let's go. Let's go. Of the northern light photography process that I really dislike this. I don't know, was I upside down for you, but I'm going to be the subject in my photo. I think I just got my best northern lights ever. What? Absolutely mental. And I happen to be vlogging this day. This is really cool. I hope you can at least hear me. Here I'm lying down with the camera. The show went so crazy. I took all kind of different photos, and then I was like, is that like should I have focus stack? And then I probably for half an hour I tried to find the exact same spot I took the original photo, just a focus stack. Now I have that in case. Insane show. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. It's so windy, like 30 meters per second. I don't know what is that in the what do you use in the States, but it's so cold. It's more windy than on top of a valley in Finland. Mental. Anyway,
I think I'm gonna head back. I've been now shooting a ton, different kind of photos. But wow, what a shoot! Thank you for watching. I hope this kind of a video was enjoyable this time. And yeah, if you haven't checked out Focus Notes, my newsletter yet, then join us from the link below. I shared some behind the scenes of this, I mean of this day before on YouTube as well. So join us there, and if you want to learn how to take amazing photographs and not be a button clicker anymore, then DM me on Instagram with Ready to apply to work with me in Storylens mentorship. And yeah, but if you enjoyed this video, you'll also enjoy this video that I made in Lapland. It's also a vlog, but more polished than this one. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.